Welcome to Bible Challenge. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, and share it with friends who enjoy Bible quizzes. And also, leave a comment below with your score and tell us which question was the most difficult for you. Let us get started. Question number 1. Who was the first man to commit murder? A. Cain. B. Esau. C. Lamech. Question number 2. Who walked with God and was taken without dying? A. Enoch. B. Elijah. C. Moses. Question number 3. What did Jesus feed the 5,000 with? A. 3 fish, 4 loaves. B. 2 fish, 5 loaves. C. 5 fish, 2 loaves. Question number 4. Who saw a ladder reaching to heaven in a dream? A. Joseph. B. Jacob. C. Abraham. Question number 5. Which king wrote many psalms? A. Solomon. B. David. C. Saul. Question number 6. What did God promise Noah after the flood? A. A great kingdom. B. Many descendants. C. Never to flood the earth again. Question number 7. What did God give the Israelites to eat in the wilderness? A. Figs. B. Manna. C. Grapes. Question number 8. Who betrayed Jesus with a kiss? A. Judas. B. Peter. C. Thomas. Question number 9. Who received the 10 commandments from God? A. Aaron. B. Moses. C. Joshua. Question number 10. What is the last book of the Bible? A. Acts. B. Revelation. C. Malachi. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more fun Bible quizzes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.